everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making a pair of spiral head pin earrings, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi there, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we're going to make some fancy head pin earrings. So these head pins I made myself. I'll put a link in the description because you can make some for yourself. You also can find other tutorials on YouTube on different kinds of fancy head pins. I'm going to slowly start making a variety of different head pins, and I'll do tutorials for each one as I go. But this kind of earring is so easy to make. They're great to sell at craft sales. They're great to give as gifts, and they're great just to make for yourself. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take, so you need the head pins. You need your tools. You're going to need your snips. You're going to need round nose pliers. You're going to need your flat nose pliers. You're going to need ear wires, and these are 8/0 seed beads, okay? If you go with the 10, they'll be too small. They won't fit on your wire. Well, at least not the one I used, because I used aluminum 0.8 millimeter aluminum wire. So we're going to start by just putting, we'll start with 10 and see how it looks. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that's not very long. I think we should go 15. Okay? So go 15 and then meet me back. Okay, so I've got 15 on there. So now using your nail, and the reason you use your nail is because you want a really close to your beads bend. Okay. Then we're going to cut our wire so that it is about 1/2 inch. And here's how you do your cut. You hold on to this side with these fingers and this side with these fingers. That way your little piece is not going to go flying everywhere. And I put it directly in my garbage. Now you're going to take your round nose. You want to line that up so that it's pretty much flush. And you want to pick how wide you want your loop to be. And we're just going to turn that around until it touches on the other side. Okay, so this is what we've got. And now we're going to take our ear wire. Whoops. And we are going to open it up. Okay, so we always open up your wires sideways. Okay. And we're going to put it on and then close that up. And there you go, guys. A very simple earring, and doesn't it look adorable? So what I would do is, you notice how this swirl is going this way? When you do this one, make sure you put it on the ear wire so that the swirl is mirroring. Do you know what I mean? So that one is going that way, and that one would be going that way. And that's it, guys. That's how you make these earrings. So thanks so much for watching. Please check my description. I put tons of things down in that description, so check it out. And have a great day. Bye now.